Good evening. This is Siri from Group 7. So today I am presenting about Edwards problem. It is first implemented by Heisinger. It is Google's online advertising service that is implemented by Google. The Edwards problem is mostly on assigning queries to advertisers in order to increase the income. So, as if we see, there was similarly an system which is earlier to this named Overture. So, compared to Overture, Edwards problem has more better in many ways. That is, allocating ads to an query is limited in Edwards problem, whereas in Overture, n number of queries are allocated. N number of ads were allocated to an query. And second most is Edwards system set an budget for an ad, and that is by click-through rate, which can't be seen in Overture system. So, what is click-through rate can be seen in the next coming slide. So, in Edwards problem, for working of Edwards problem, we need some points. We will consider some points such as a collection of bits for queries. So here in Edward problem, we'll collect bits from advertisers for each query. And after collecting bits, it is processed by click-through rate. So as we said, we'll see click-through rate in the next slide. And after considering that, Google will display a limited number of ads per an query. So actually, it needs bits, queries, ads, and click-through rate conversations. So the output of this Edwards problem is it will, after considering these all inputs, the output is it will output only a limited number of ads per inquiry and to increase the total income system. So next, the working of Edwards problem. Here, Google will fix ads related to some keywords. So here, the fixing of ads to the keywords will be done by the Google by analyzing what ads are related to an keyword. For instance, if you take an word such as online shopping, the ads can be seen such as online jewelry shops, online food delivery, online clothes shopping. It will produce all ads related to the word. So Google on background will do analysis which ads were related to which query, means how users are querying for their needs, which words were more repeated on the Google search engine, and which ads are mostly on a high bid rate by the advertisers. So on such Google will analyze and attach some and fix some ads for some queries. After that, here is the main point that marketers will bid on certain keywords. Such as marketers will bid on certain keywords. So Google will show up ads according to the highest bid rate. Not only bid rate, but also considering click-through rate, as we said in previous slides. So what is click-through rate means? When ads were shown on websites, the users were, how many users open the ads is nothing but click-through rate. So it is nothing but the marketers were paying according to the cost per click. It will increase the revenue. So nothing but revenue of selection is the product of the bid and click-through rate of an query. The main output of the Edwards problem is to increase the revenue, which can be done by click-through rate. So for instance, how it can be affected? If we take an example of advertiser one bids $2 or $4, the click probability can be 0.1. And if an advertiser two bids $1, click probability can be 0.5. So here, if you see here how it affects the click probability or the click-through rate, the overall revenue is affected by this. So not only will we include raw bids, but also the click probability. If you take here 3 advertisers, A, B, C, and each advertiser will bid a raw bid $1, 0.75, and 0.50 as if we see here. But the click-through rate chances could be 1%, 2%, 2.5%. So if you multiply these two, the overall revenue is this. So based on this, it will produce ads. Based on this, efficiency is increased. Based on this, the revenue is also increased. This is this is about adverse process. So now my question is, what are the challenges that were faced by advertisers with this system? So as if new ads were encountered, then the probability of click-through rate for a new ad is unknown. Advertisers were with limited budgets and they have to bid for each and every query. There might be some issue for them. And if we consider, ads in first position will be clicked by the user. I'm not saying ads in other positions will not be clicked, but the most clicks will go into ads in first position. So there would be a challenge or risk faced by the advertisers. Okay, thank you.